My name is Geoffrey Omondi. I'm at the Marula Green Market. I do pottery. So basically what we do in pottery, we cover both pot painting, pot making, and we also make some custom-made pottery for cooking, cookware. So the inspiration behind pottery, this our brand is called Paro Art and Pottery Center. It's a family business. It has been passed down in generations. It started with my dad, who has passed it on to me. And what we are trying to do as Paro Pottery, we are more based on the service side, and we offer classes mostly to children because that's a gap that we have found. The creativity side of our kids from a tender young age. They love playing around with mud, they love being messy, and with being messy they also get creative, and with their motor and also they develop their motor skills, because we generally don't have an age limit for our pottery. We start from as young as 1 year olds. They play around with the mud and have that fun. So yeah, basically that's what we do. We keep the kids entertained, and our end goal is just to get the creativity out of the children, and also pass on the beautiful art of pottery to the young generations, because basically in Kenya there are not that a lot of potters, and we are trying to instill that passion into the young generation so that they can continue with this beautiful art. So you can find us every Saturday here at the Marula Green Market. Bring your kids, also adults. Just come enjoy the fun of the art of pottery, and let's bond together. Thank you.